Make sure the cylinder head injector ports are clean before installing the injectors. Ports can be cleaned using non-metallic brushes with the cylinder head installed. If metallic brushes are required for cleaning, the cylinder head must be removed from the engine. Using special tool ST48, screw the studs to the cylinder head. Do not tighten the studs at this time. Retract the injector removal sockets, then position tool on the studs with number 1 facing the flywheel side of the engine. Secure the studs, then secure the tool with the provided nuts. To install the injectors, turn the screws on the special tool until they are fully extended. Once the injectors are installed in the cylinder head, remove the lockers and special tool. Position the fuel rail spacers on the cylinder head as illustrated. Remove the protective caps from the fuel rail. Lubricate the upper injector seals with diesel fuel. Position the rail on the injectors. Align the injector electrical connectors with the rail, then press the rail until fully seated on all 3 injectors. Thread in the rail screws, but do not tighten at this time. Install the injector lockers. Apply Loctite 242 on the screw threads, then torque rail screws to the specification indicated in the workshop manual. Remove the protective caps and install the fuel tube. Torque the fuel tube nuts to the specification indicated in the workshop manual.